Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change your name on Facebook. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Facebook on your device. Then tap on Menu at the bottom right of the screen. Once you are on this page, tap on Settings at the top. Then tap on Account Center. Now tap on Profile. Go to the account of which you want to change the name of. Now tap on Name. Here you can change your name, middle name, or the last name. Before saving these changes, keep in mind that you cannot change your name again for 60 days. After 60 days, you can edit. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.